record your screen and your voice at the same time on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the record sound to media and mic. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap screenshot and screen recording. Under screen recording section, tap record sound and then select media and mic. Alternatively, you can change the record sound setting before you start recording. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap screen recording icon. Under sound section, select media and mic. Now you are ready to start recording by tapping start recording. By setting the sound to media and mic, while you are doing screen recording and you talk, your phone will record the screen and your voice at the same time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.